Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your Digisol DG-WR1200 Wi-Fi Extender in just a few simple steps. Whether you're struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals or dead zones in your home, this extender is here to save the day. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at what's in the box. You'll find the Digisol DG-WR1200 Extender, a quick installation guide, and an Ethernet cable. Make sure you have these items before we begin. Start by plugging the Digisol DG-WR1200 Extender into a power outlet close to your Wi-Fi router. Ensure it's within range of your existing Wi-Fi network to complete the initial setup process smoothly and efficiently. Grab your smartphone, tablet, or laptop and open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, of the extender, which is usually something like Digisol_Extender. Connect to it. Once connected, open a web browser and type the default IP address of the extender, which is usually 192.168.0.254 or 192.168.1.1. Press Enter, and you'll be taken to the extender setup page. Log into the admin panel using the default username and password. For most Digisol devices, the default username is admin, and the password is also admin. If you've changed these before, use your custom credentials. You can now configure the settings for your extended network. You can keep the same network name, SSID, as your main Wi-Fi or create a new one. I recommend using the same SSID for seamless roaming between the router and extender. Finally, let's test the connection. Connect your device to the extended network and check the signal strength. You should notice a significant improvement in Wi-Fi coverage. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert support and guidance. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Digisol DG-WR1200 Wi-Fi Extender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.